Hi, everyone wants me to make this Uni Knot because it is very useful and very strong. Okay, I am going to show you how to tie a Uni Knot. Okay, tie this. Beach. Okay, then tie it again in the same directions. Okay. Remember, you want to get like this because there is a triangle. So if it is happen in your tie, when you tie that knot, this should look like this. Then there's a steel winch. There, give it this tie with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm giving it 9. Most of you can use. It is necessary to use 6 to 7 tie. A jig and 4 tie. I need to lubricate it. Then just tie it. Jig. Is perfect. Okay, choose which one you want. This is weak, this also weak, this is strong. So I always prefer to add this knot with my fish sheets. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like.